So in this way, we have to design our circuit in our practical copy. Now, we will discuss in the same manner the full adder. This is the half adder C that I have discussed with you how we get this circuit from truth table. There are 4 steps. See here the K-map is there. This is for the sum, this is for the carry. These are the expressions that we are getting, and then we have to design the circuit. Now we will discuss the full adder. So for full adder, the basic difference between half adder and full adder is, in full adder we have 3 inputs, A, B and C, 3 inputs. We may also call this C as C in, and this C for carry C is carry out or C out. Okay, so we have 3 inputs in our full adder circuit, and we have the same output, that sum and carry, for our full adder circuit. So the basic difference is, it is 3-bit adder, and that one is half adder was 2-bit adder. Okay, so see here I am not discussing this using the Jamboard. See here, in this K-map, we have derived the C out, that is carry out. What would be the expression we are getting from this K-map, and this is for the sum. So where the sum says 1, see here 0 plus 0 plus 0. This is sum is 0, and carry is also 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1. So sum is 1, carry is 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0, that is also sum is 1, carry is 0. And here's 0 plus 1 plus 1. So we know that 1 plus 1 is 0 and the carry is 1. So that 0 is again added with this 0. So 0 plus 0 is again 0, but the carry is same. So carry is 1 and the result sum is 0. And here again 1 plus 0 plus 0. So that is the sum is 1 and the carry is 0. And here 1 plus 0 plus 1. So again we are getting 1 plus 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1. So again we are getting the sum as 0 and the carry as 1. And here is also 2 ones. Whenever 2 ones are there, we get the sum as 0 and we get the carry as we get the carry as 1. But here, see here, 3 consecutive ones are there. So 3, whenever 3 ones are there, the sum will be automatically 1 and carry will be also 1. That we have discussed in last day, that 3 ones are there. So 1 plus 1, we know that result is 0. So 0 plus 1, so we have 1. But we have carry 1 in our hand, so that carry is here. So the sum is 1 and carry is also 1 in for the combination 1 1 1 of the inputs. So from this we are generating the sum K-map for sum, K-map for carry. So see here the expressions are like this, because here also one, we cannot make any group for these diagonal ones, but we can make a group for this carry. Here 3 groups are there. Here it is 1 group, 2 group and 3 groups. So we get 3 expressions from this grouping. So from this first, this is B and C, both are 1 1, but A is changing. So we are having here B and C 1. So this is BC, that is 1 1. And for this cell, we have A as 1, B is changing, but C is 1. So we have AC from this group. And from this group, we have A is 1, B is also 1, but C is changing. So we are not taking C, we are just taking A and B. Okay? Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the sum expression, how it is derived from this big expression. Now we are minimizing this, and we have C is also there. So this is the circuit using the basic gates. Remember, this is using the basic gates. This is not the complete full adder using the XOR or the other. This is just using the basic gates. But if in our question paper it comes that you have to derive the full adder using two half adders, then the circuit will be changed. Okay, so this is just basic gate. If it is not mentioned, you can design any one. But if it is mentioned that you have to design the full adder circuit using two half adders, then you have to design in this way. Okay, so this is the first part. This is the first part, that is the first half adder, and this is the second half adder part. See here, what are the expressions? We have C XOR A XOR B. So see here, see this colorful image. See, A is there, B is there. We are XORing, we are doing the XOR operation. So in 4, pin number, it is written 4. Okay, so it should be 3. Okay, now we are getting A XOR B here, and here we are getting A and B. Now A XOR B, again it is C in, that is C. We have three variables as input, A, B and C. So this C is the carry in, or C, just C, A, B, C. So C is again XORed with A XOR B. This is the expression of sum. So see here, from the first XOR gate we are getting A XOR B, and again C is XORed with A XOR B. So this is the sum output. And for carry, our carry is, this is our carry. So you can minimize this, or you can see here, the carry is C in this first, this is the second half adder part. So it is XORed with this first output of the XOR, and the sum is there. And the in the carry part we have A into B, and this A into B, and this is A XOR B. Okay, I am deriving this. Okay, now using Jamboard, I'm showing it. So for carry, what was our carry? Okay, this is our carry. So we have a K map, and our carry. So we have a group of this. So C equals to AB. This is C out. Plus AC plus BC. These are as expression. So if we minimize this, see AB is here plus we are taking C common, so it is like this. So here we have AB and C is odd with this part. So this was our expression, C multiplied with A plus B. So C is multiplied with this A plus B, A XOR B it is. And then we get C out. If we write in this way, C Now we will discuss half subtractor. So in case of half subtractor, we have only two variables like our half adder, but here the outputs are difference and borrow. What are the difference? That is 0 minus 0, the difference is 0 and the borrow is also 0. But 0 minus 1, we are borrowing 1 for 0 for doing the 0 minus 1. So it is borrow is 1 and the difference is also 1. And here 1 minus 0, the difference is 1 and borrow is 0. But 1 minus 1, the difference is 0 and borrow is also 0. For the second step, that is K map, see here, this is the difference and this is the borrow. So we are, for borrow we have this expression that is A bar B, and for the difference we have A XOR B for these diagonal positions. So again, this is our difference. This is our logic diagram. So A and B XOR. So A XOR B is the difference, but for borrow here it is A bar. So we are using a NOT gate for this, for doing this operation, and this is multiplied or AND with this AND gate, and we are getting the borrow as A bar B. So here three ICs are required: XOR, that is 7486, and AND gate, and not get. Now this is full substructure. This full substructure this is the difference expression. Okay, we have, see here, the full substructure is okay. So for full substructure, here the diagram you can see this is using two half substructures. The first part is a half substructure and this is the second part of the half substructure, and we are getting the difference and the borrow. So now using Jamboard we will discuss the truth table of full substructure. Sorry. So suppose we write it using A, B, C, and for borrow, first one is difference, and this is borrow. This is for output, this is for input. Now, what are the input combinations are there? From starting from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. Sorry. We have to write all the combinations first. So 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and finally 1, 1, 1. So now what is the difference? What is the
Zero,
difference?
ma'am.
The first
Zero, ma'am.
zero, both are zero.
हाँ, 0, 0.
Sorry. Difference is zero, borrow is also zero. But when we are in the second step, that is 0 minus 1, we know that the difference is 1, but we have to borrow 1. So the B is also 1. Now 0 minus 1 and 1 minus 0. So the difference is 1. And we are also borrowing 1 1 for doing this 0 minus 1. So B is also 1. Okay. Now in this fourth step, 0 1 1. So here 1 minus 1, that is 0. 0 minus 0. So difference is 0. And borrow?
1.
Yes. Borrow is 1. Why it is 1? Why it is 1?
1 minus 0 equals to 1. Then 1 minus 0 is also 1. So borrow will be 0.
No, borrow is 1.
In the previous case, I am.
Now here 1 minus 0 minus 0. So 0 minus 0, it is 0. But 1 minus 0, so the difference we can say 1. But we are not having any borrow. So it is 0. Now here 0 minus 1 is the difference. What is the difference?
1, ma'am.
No, 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is
1.
1. And 1 minus 1 is
0.
0. And we are not borrowing. So borrow is also 0. And here 1 minus 1. 1 minus
Ma'am,
1, that is 0.
ma'am,
0
একটা question
minus
আছে।
0. হ্যাঁ বলো।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, এই যে যখন এই 3 বিটের ইয়েটা যখন করবো না, এই মানে এই সাবট্রাকশনটা, ওটা কি ম্যাম ওই লেফট সাইড থেকে শুরু করবো কি রাইট সাইড থেকে?
না না না, আমারই ভুল হয়েছে। ওটা a মাইনাস b মাইনাস c এরকম করবো।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, ওটাই ফার্স্টে তো বি মাইনাস সি করছিলেন, তো সেখান থেকে
আমি ফার্স্টে এটা করছিলাম, ওটা আমারই ভুল হয়েছে। ওটা a মাইনাস b মাইনাস c করবো। ঠিক আছে।
ওকে ম্যাম।
আচ্ছা 1 minus 1, so it is 0. 0 minus 0, this is also 0, and we are not borrowing, so it is also 0. Now 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 is
0.
0. 0 minus 1, so here 1 is the difference, and we are also borrowing 1. 0 minus 1. Whenever we are doing 0 minus 1, we have to borrow 1. So this is the truth table. So from this truth table, we are designing the K-map. So how many K-maps we have? For difference, one for difference and one for borrow. So we have 2 K-maps. Here we will write A, and here we will write B and C. Here also we will write A, and we will write B and C. That all the input combinations. So this is for the difference, and this is for the borrow. So where, in which M positions we have difference 1? See here 1, M1. So we are doing the K-map for the difference. So M1, so 0, 1, and this is M2. This is M30, M4, M50, M60, M7. So we are not getting any group from here. So our expression will be, now who will tell me the expression? কে বলবে expression?
A XOR B XOR C.
হ্যাঁ, মিনিমাইজ করলে তাই আসবে। A XOR B XOR C. For the difference. Now for the borrow, we have 1 M1, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M60, M7 is 1. So now we have to make group. We will have 3 expressions for 3 groups. Now, what will be the expression for borrow? Actually, we should not use this ABC. It would be better if we use X, Y, and Z, because these B and these B can make you confused. Okay. So what would be the expression for the borrow? This is A bar. That is, this is 0 and this is 1. So A bar and value of B is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. So from these two groups we have A bar
C.
C plus from this A C, sorry,
A.
BC, BC,
BC. BC.
BC, B and C, and from here we
A
have
bar
A bar
B.
C bar C bar C এর ভ্যালু তো
A bar
চেঞ্জ,
B.
A bar B,
A bar B. ওটাই।
হ্যাঁ A bar B.
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম ঠিক আছে।
So now you can minimize this. Or you can make the circuit from this. So now let us see. This is the simplification function circuit using the basic gates, but it is not in the way that we are using 2 half orders. So this circuit using the not adder, half subtractor. This is one half subtractor, this is another half subtractor. So using 2 half subtractor, we are doing the full subtractor. That is 3 variables are there. Okay. So I think it is okay for today. So now I am giving you, okay, I will send one assignment for you. Simple expressions will be there and you have to design the circuit. Okay. You have to design the circuits. So I will give you some expressions. There will be no marks for that assignment, but just you have to practice. Okay, wait 1 minute. So in this way, after designing this half adder and full adder and half subtractor and full subtractor, next day I will discuss the multiplexer, or if you want you can design the binary to gray code converter or binary to BCD to XS3 converter, because if you can design the truth table, then the expressions will come out, and depending on the expression from the K-map, you can try to design the circuit. Uh, so one thing is there. So actually, the combinational logic circuits can be divided into three categories. That is arithmetic and logic functions, for arithmetic and logic functions, for data transmissions, and for code converters. So you can write in your copy that for arithmetic and logic functions, we are having that adder, subtractor, comparator, and PLDs also. But for using the combinational logic circuit as data transmission, for data transmission, we are using the multiplexer, demultiplexer, encoder, and decoder circuits. And for code converters, that I told you, that BCD to XS3, these are the code converters from one code to another code converter circuits. So there are binary code converters, that are BCD, and 7-segment display. So these are the code converters. You are converting your input values to another output, but basically the output is related with the input. So see here. Oh, I'm not sharing, so you cannot see. Can you see the Jamboard? Okay. So the combinational combinational logic circuit, that is CLC, can be categorized in three parts. So one part is that is our adder, subtractor. These are the arithmetic and logic functions, for doing the arithmetic and logic functions. Another one is data transmission, that is the multiplexer, demultiplexer, and another one is code converters. So these are the code converters, that is BCD to XS3, BCD to gray code converter. Suppose I am giving you another example. If we want to convert BCD to gray code converter, you all know gray code. I have told you before. So BCD to gray code converter. So we have so many inputs here. For BCD, representing BCD, binary coded decimal value, if we have four variables, that is suppose A, B, C, D, then for gray code we are having W, X, Y, Z. Four variables will be there. So starting from 0, 0, 0, 0, if we convert these into gray code, the automatically we can see this output doing the XOR operation for converting it into gray code. 0 will be 0 and 0 0 XOR 0, that is also 0, and 0 XOR, so this is initially it is also 0. But if we have our binary code 0001, so what would be the gray code, equivalent gray code? So this part is the BCD, this part is the gray code. Are you getting my point? So doing the XOR operation, first one,
ম্যাম
বলো,
ম্যাম বলছি আজকে আমাদের ম্যাম কোড বিটা আছে ম্যাম, একটু ছেড়ে দিলে ভালো হতো।
তোমাদেরও আছে? ফোর্থ ইয়ারের আছে
হ্যাঁ।
জানতাম। ও ঠিক
না
আছে, ছেড়ে
আমাদের
দিচ্ছি
তো
ছেড়ে দিচ্ছি। ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট দিন আমরা তাহলে আরো কম্বিনেশনাল সার্কিট গুলো দুটো দুটো করে পড়বো।
ওকে
আর তোমাদের তো আবার ল্যাবও শুরু হবে, তাই দেখে আমি কোর্স করাচ্ছিলাম যে ল্যাবে তো কিছু করতে হবে না। ঠিক আছে, এটা একটু ট্রাই করো
ওকে ম্যাম।
পরে সময় পেলে। অ্যাট লিস্ট বিসিডি টু গ্রেটা করো, এক্সএস3টাও সোজা, গ্রেটা তো তোমরা পারবে, তোমরা আগেও পড়েছো। ঠিক আছে, থ্যাংক ইউ। আমাকে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স পাঠিয়ে দিও অরিত্র। টেক কেয়ার,
Yes,
বাই, and best of luck for your exam.
thank you, ma'am.
থ্যাংক ইউ।